Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to compress files and folders in Rocky Linux 8 operating system in GUI mode. So let me go to the file explorer. Okay, so you can see some files and directories are there. Okay, just select the file. Just select the files and directories randomly. Right click. You can see compress option is there in context menu. Click that one. So it's asking for archive format. So I'm selecting zip archive format. Yes. So I can able to compress as a zip archive format. Now let me try some other format. Select the file. Right click compress. Let me try tar.xz. Great. That's it. So I can able to create a tar.xz archive also. So now I am cutting those archive and paste in some other location and try to extract there. So let me extract demo zip archive. Extract here. Yes, I can able to extract. Let me try demo tar.xz. Extract here. Yes, I can able to extract and view the content. So this is the way you can compress files and folders in Rocky Linux 8 operating system in GUI mode. Make use of this feature.